touch that fire for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I thought I liked you, that bitch I do it all. I won't cry, I'm scared it's blue. I'm not. Long if you joking, now answer me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming through it. Hide your body. Long as you dreaming about me.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Sweet Life of Shana. You know it's a girl Shana, of course. Welcome back. So today guys, I'm outside as you guys can see. Hold on. So as you guys can see, I'm outside. Alright. It's cold. It's very cold. Anyways, it's so cold. So guys, today we're having Snowstorm. Stay tuned. Let me show you guys what's going on. Okay. So guys, this is how outside looks so far. Oh, this is outside. Yeah. This is how it looks so far. People like cleaning up and stuff like that, you know, as you guys can see. It's very cold out here, so we're having as I said, a snowstorm. We're having a snowstorm today, and later it's gonna turn into ice pellet, and then after we're going to have rain. Guys, out here is so cold. As you guys can see, what's the name of them again? I don't remember. The people who come clean the road, they have come already, because when I'm telling you, like, there was a lot of snow, so they come clean the road. Like, out here was like a hot mess. So I'm going to show you guys what's going on. I'm showing you guys what's going on. So yeah, so just stay tuned. So yes guys, the way how out here is like so cold, my eyes running water. Yes guys, that's one of the van who's coming to clear the road, you know. So yeah, guys, out here is like so cold, my eyes running. It's really cold, so just stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys what's happening. Just stay tuned. I don't want to say too much, so yeah. So as I said before, we're gonna have rain later too and stuff like that. So yeah, so some people are outside shoveling their driveway, taking snow off their cars and stuff like that, as you guys can see. So yeah, that's what most people out here are doing now. So yeah, just stay tuned, okay? Out here is like so windy. The snow is it's just blowing in my face. It's like so windy out here. Oh, my hands, I don't even have on gloves right now. My hands are like freezing, literally freezing. So yes guys, so as I said before, stay tuned, okay? So yeah, this is how outside looks. People cleaning up their driveway and their cars. This is how the place looks, giving you guys of what's going on. This is what's going on, guys. Guys, you see this? So yeah, that's what's going on. So guys, oh, out here is so cold, so cold. So yeah, guys, I show you a glimpse at what's going on outside. So as I said before, stay tuned. I have a lot more to show you guys. So guys, we're cleaning up our driveway, as you guys can see. Yeah, so we're cleaning up our driveway, guys, so we can walk properly or the car can drive out properly, as you guys can see. So that's what we're doing now. We're shoveling our driveway. So yeah, so just stay tuned, guys. We're going to shovel our driveway. Just showing you guys what we're doing right now. So stay tuned. So guys, we are salting our driveway. So that's what Uncle is doing now, salting the driveway. So yeah, so we finish shovel our driveway, now we're salting it, guys. Did I mention the people who come and clear the road also salt the road? I didn't remember if I told you guys. So that's what we're doing now, salting the driveway. So yeah, stay tuned. Guys, so right here they're defrosting the plane because the plane is full of ice everywhere on the plane, especially the wings. The plane is like frozen, as you guys can see, so they're defrosting it. So yes, guys, yes, you guys can see. So guys, right here they're spraying on the green liquid on the plane, as you guys can see. So that's what they're doing now. So guys, right here they're washing off the green liquid back off the plane, as you guys can see. That's what's going on right here. So yes, guys, like this is what's happening right now. This is caused by the snowstorm that I was telling you guys about earlier. So yes, guys, that like all the planes got frozen. They had to defrost the planes, put green liquid, stuff like that. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to the Sweet Life of Shana. Yes, guys, and don't forget to, as I said, don't forget to like, comment, share, turn on that post notification bell so you guys know when I drop a next video. You guys don't want to miss anything. So yeah, remember, as I said, tell a friend to tell a friend. Oh my god, guys, my eyes are like so running right now. But anyway, guys, bye. See you guys in the next video.